Dongguan OEHOME Furniture Company Limited is founded in 2012, supplying and designing bedroom furniture, living room furniture, steel furniture, wardrobe, kitchen cupboard, joinery, vanity table, and Hollywood makeup mirrors to overseas customers. Our factory is about 4,300 square meters, located in Dongguan City. About 35 workers, 80% have many years' experience and good workmanship. In our factory, there are hydraulic press machine, sliding table saw, cutting machine, argon arc welding machine. We also have a strong designing team who can provide shop drawings or 3D drawings once order confirmed. Moreover, we accept OEM, ODM services and carefully monitor every process of operation, not only in designing and manufacturing, but also in sales, marketing, and after-sales services. OEHOME can provide a variety of furniture designs and matching solutions for many interior design projects, furniture stores, hotels, shopping mall, restaurants, which has won praises from customers and established long-term friendly and cooperative relationships. After a decade of development, our annual sales has grown rapidly. We have exported furniture to many countries such as USA, Canada, UK, Germany, Poland, South Africa, India, Australia. As you know, environmental protection is a global problem, which is also our primary requirements during manufacturing. We aim to produce green furniture products and supply to worldwide. OEHOME will be your professional custom furnishing solution provider in China.